Module Overview. This module introduces you to the fundamental building blocks of human anatomy and physiology. It provides the terminology, conceptual foundation, and structural organization that form the backbone for understanding the human body. Without this solid grasp of anatomical language and physiological principles, you cannot properly appreciate or interpret more advanced topics that follow. First, definition of anatomy and physiology. Anatomy, the branch of biology concerned with the structure of organisms and their parts. It can be microscopic, e.g. cells, tissues, or macroscopic, e.g. organs, systems. Physiology, the science that explains the functions and mechanisms in a living system. Physiology describes how anatomical structures work and sustain life. Second, subdivisions of anatomy. Gross, macroscopic anatomy, study of large body parts visible to the naked eye, e.g. lungs, heart. Microscopic anatomy, cytology, study of cells. Histology, study of tissues. Developmental anatomy, embryology and the study of changes from conception to adulthood. Clinical anatomy, application of anatomical knowledge to medical practice. Third, subdivisions of physiology. Systemic physiology, study of organ systems, e.g. cardiovascular physiology. Cellular physiology, processes within and between cells. Pathophysiology, abnormal physiological processes that occur during disease. Fourth, levels of structural organization. From smallest to largest, chemical level, atoms and molecules, e.g. water, proteins, DNA. Cellular level, basic unit of life, cells perform essential functions. Tissue level, groups of similar cells, e.g. epithelial, muscular, connective. Organ level, different tissues working together, e.g. liver, brain. System level, groups of organs performing a common function, e.g. digestive system. Organismal level, the human being as a complete organism. Fifth, anatomical terminology. Understanding anatomical language is essential to communicate effectively in healthcare. Directional terms: superior, inferior, anterior, posterior, medial, lateral, proximal, distal, superficial, deep planes of the body. Sagittal plane, divides body into right and left. Frontal, coronal, plane, divides body into anterior and posterior. Transverse plane, divides body into superior and inferior. Body cavities: dorsal, cranial, vertebral. Ventral, thoracic, abdominopelvic. 6. The concept of homeostasis. Definition: the ability of the body to maintain stable internal conditions despite external changes. Mechanisms: negative feedback, most common, e.g. body temperature regulation. Positive feedback, less common, e.g. childbirth, blood clotting. Components of homeostatic control: receptor, control center, effector. 7. Integration with health and disease. Understanding how structure affects function allows learners to comprehend disease processes, clinical signs and symptoms, medical diagnostics and treatment decisions. Learning outcomes aligned with Bloom's taxonomy. 1. Level 2. Outcome. Remember, define anatomy and physiology and describe basic terms. Understand, explain how structure and function are interrelated. Apply use directional terms to locate body parts relative to each other. Analyze, differentiate between types of feedback mechanisms in homeostasis. Evaluate, assess how failure in homeostasis leads to illness. Instructional activities: diagram labeling, interactive quizzes, anatomical chart discussions, virtual body plane dissections using digital tools, case scenario analysis. What happens when homeostasis fails?